fill my lungs with sweetness, and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter?
Ano nyo muna?
Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out.
Nakakatuwa lang kasi nung na-meet ko sila, parang sobrang ano nila sobrang bagay nila para sa isa't isa. Nagko-complement yung magandang ugali nila. So, yun lang yung wish ko para dun sa dalawa. Mike, matagal mo na rin naman pangarap yan eh. So, I'm praying for the best for both of you. Alam mo na Mike, laging tama kung sino laging tama ha.
Where the fields are plain and gold, and the trees are filled with memories.
One thing I've known ever since I met Mike, I knew he was the right man for you. So what I love about you both is that you complement each other and you make it work every time. You support each other.
Oh, the whole world is sleeping, but my world is here. Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you?
So right now, Mariel and Michael, sumagot na totoo. Magbabago ang puso nyo, magbabago ang minamahal nyo. Tuloy ba ang kasal? Yung pag-isipan nyo ng malalim. Hindi po biro ang inyong gagawing desisyon. Magbabago ang puso mo, magbabago ang minamahal mo. Tuloy ba talaga ang kasal? Yan po kanilang unang away. Ay,
Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you?
Hi, Ping. Matutupad ng pangarap mo today ang mapakasalan ako. Ha. See you later. I love you.
Yeah. Meow, 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 meow.
Ito si dramatic, as in sobrang, real no pagdating ni Mike, sobrang right timing, and when you look at them together, as in parang same sila ng mga gusto, hindi sila same ng ugali, pero they understand each other.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
On brand. Actually, very Oo.
muna. Safe. Hi, Ping. Nakamali pa grammar nito ah. I am filled with excitement and love for the future we will build together. Every day with you is a blessing and I am grateful for unwavering understanding. ChatGPT.